Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we are going to be taking a look at the Fiberborne Aramid fiber case for the OnePlus 13. Now, I have been using it for the past few days now to test it out, but I went ahead and reboxed it so I can share this unboxing experience with all of you. So, of course, we do get some Fiberborne branding there at the top of the box, but all the way around the box, we're getting that cool Aramid fiber design. So very, very cool look when it comes to the box itself. Opens up just like this. And the first thing we are greeted with is an accessory kits packet. So let me go ahead and pull this out. And what this contains is actually a screen protector that they are including with this case right here, which is great because, you know, with a case like this, it's not going to provide your device maximum protection. It's not really going to protect that front display. So to add on a little bit more protection, they went ahead and provided a screen protector for the OnePlus 13, which is nice. Comes with a little cleaning kit as well to clean that display before applying the screen protector itself. And just to give you guys a look at what the screen protector looks like, this is what it is. And then as you can see right here, we do have some adhesive for the in-display fingerprint sensor. So this case, or the screen protector, I'm sorry, will be compatible with that in-display fingerprint sensor on the OnePlus 13. Me personally, I've never really been a huge fan of screen protectors like this. I kind of like it when the adhesive goes all throughout the, screen protector, but hey, that is just me. But either way, it is nice that they do include a screen protector with this case right here. But taking it over to the case itself, let's take it out of the box here. That is all that comes in the box. Go ahead and move that over to the side. And this is the case itself. So of course, getting that nice Aramid fiber design all throughout the case, looking really, really nice. Some Fiberborne branding there at the bottom. Going to the inside, as you can see, this is MagSafe compatible, also wireless charging compatible. Looks like we're gonna get openings for the slider there, the volume rockers as well. Of course, we got the cutouts and everything. So let's go ahead and slap it on the OnePlus 13 right here. So I can show you guys what it looks like. Snaps on nice and secure. It's got a nice click when it snaps on. So that is nice right there. And looking at the camera module here, as you can see, we are getting some decent protection for those cameras in the back. So if you wanna, set your phone down on a flat surface like this, slide it around, or if you accidentally drop it on a flat surface like that, it's giving it just enough lift to protect those cameras in the back. So very nice protection there for the cameras. Of course, we do have some openings here for the volume rockers and the power button, so it's not gonna be too hard to find those. Up at top, we do have cutouts for the speaker, the IR blaster, the microphones. Now you can see the cutouts are just a tiny bit off. Now, very, very little, barely as you can see there. And the reasoning for this is, I guess, because of the fact that this particular one comes with that vegan leather that is just a little bit more thicker in the back than the other models like the black or white model, which this case will fit a lot better on, and those cutouts will line up. But for some reason with this one, according to the note that they left, it is because of this vegan leather back that the cutouts up top don't match up perfectly, but as you can see, it's still not really blocking the microphone. So you're not gonna have any problems with it messing with your sound or the IR blaster or anything like that. And either way, like I said, it does still snap on good up at the top. And then going down to the bottom, we do got precise cutouts for the speaker, the microphones, and that USB Type-C charging port as well. Got an opening over here for the slider. And like I mentioned, this is MagSafe compatible. So let's test that out. So you can see there, charging my device. It is MagSafe compatible. And this is the OnePlus AirVook wireless charger, 50 watts. It's gonna provide your device 50 watts of super ultra fast wireless charging. So nice accessory there from OnePlus, but as you can see, it works perfectly. Oh, let me see. I got it like the wire super tight. Okay, there we go. Now let's test it out. Magnet seems to be working good. So nice little touch there. Got MagSafe to this case right here. And yeah, like I said, this is a super thin case that is not going to provide your device that maximum protection. And this case is going to be more for people who really don't like using a case maybe on your device. It's kind of like a reusable skin, I always like to say, because skin doesn't add, any bulk to your device, but it does protect you from scratches in the back of your phone. Well, this one right here, it's gonna protect your device from scratches in the back, but also might protect you from scratches around the sides as well, and might protect it, from light drops as well, especially when it comes to the cameras in the back. So this is going to be for those people who don't like having those massive bulky cases on your device. And like I said, it's really nice as well. Very premium looking case. Like I said, you get the Aramid fiber design all the way around. Feels good in the hand, nice and lightweight. Adds no bulk to your OnePlus 13. So there it is, the Fiberborne Aramid fiber case on the OnePlus 13. Like I said, the only thing that you would notice is these cutouts up at the top. So Not sure how I personally feel about that. I mean, like I said, it's not truly blocking the microphones or the IR blaster, and I have tested it out and it does work. It doesn't mess with the sound or anything. I guess just looking at it, some people might be bothered by it, but it really doesn't affect any of that stuff going on up there, which I have personally tested out. So again, the Fiberborne Aramid fiber case. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment sections below. If you do find yourself interested in this case right here, I'll make sure to leave the link down in the description below so you can check one out for yourself. Thank you all so very much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thanks for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.